Alright, let's talk about starting your own YouTube channel and having a baby. They're basically the same thing. I mean, think about it. They both require crazy level of commitment, sleepless nights, and a whole lot of love. But wait, before you start panicking, I promise, the comparison is a lot more fun than it sounds. Whether you are a new parent or a new creator, or maybe both, this is a journey you'll totally relate to. From nurturing your baby channel to dealing with unexpected hiccups, sometimes literally, by the end of this video, you'll discover how to stay sane while having a little bit of fun. Let's get to it.
All right, let's kick things off with the first similarity, Sleepless Nights. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. Remember those early days on YouTube? Up until 2 a.m., editing videos, tweaking thumbnails, responding to comments, running on caffeine and adrenaline, just trying to get your channel off the ground. It's the same feeling you get when you bring a newborn home. Late night feedings, diaper changes, and soothing a crying baby. It's a 24/7 job. You're exhausted, but you push through because you're so invested. And just like with a YouTube channel, those early days with a baby are a blur, but you wouldn't trade them for the world. You're learning, growing, and building something truly special. Those sleepless nights, they're a badge of honor. So next time you're up late editing or rocking a baby to sleep, remember you're not alone. The rewards are so worth it.
So you've poured your heart into editing that first video, or spent 9 months nurturing a tiny human inside you. Launching your channel or giving birth is like giving birth to a new living thing. You're putting something new out into the world, something you created. It's both exhilarating and terrifying. You hit that publish button on your first video, or hold your baby in your arms for the first time, and bam, it's real. And it's all on you to help it grow and succeed. The excitement is off the charts. You're finally sharing your passion with the world. But then, the doubts creep in. What if nobody watches my videos? What if I'm not a good parent? But you learn as you go. You make mistakes, figure things out, and adapt. Every day is a new adventure, full of surprises and challenges. So take a deep breath, embrace the unknown, and remember that you've got this. Giving birth to something new is one of the most rewarding experiences in life.
Okay, so you've launched your channel, welcomed your baby into the world. Now, get ready for the long haul. Both require constant attention and nurturing to grow and develop. Think of your YouTube channel like a baby plant. You need to water it with consistent uploads, give it sunlight with engaging content, and plant it in fertile soil by finding your niche and audience. Just like a baby learns to crawl, walk, and talk, your channel will evolve over time. You'll experiment with different video styles, find your voice, and connect with your audience in new ways. There will be growth spurts where your channel takes off and everything seems amazing. And there will be times when it feels like you're stuck in a rut, just like those phases with a baby. But the key is to be patient, stay consistent, and never give up on your dream. Celebrate the small wins, learn from your mistakes, and never stop evolving. Seeing your YouTube channel hit milestones is an incredible feeling. Keep nurturing your channel, keep creating awesome content, and watch it blossom. One of the most rewarding parts of starting a YouTube channel is the incredible community you get to be a part of. It's just like making friends as a baby grows up. When you first start your channel, it's like being the new kid in school. You're trying to find your place, connect with people who share your interests, and build genuine relationships. You start by commenting on other videos, joining Facebook groups, and engaging with your audience on social media. It's all about putting yourself out there, just like a baby reaching out for a hug or giggling at a new friend. And as you create more content and connect with more people, your subscriber count grows. Your YouTube community becomes this amazing network of like-minded individuals who support you, inspire you, and make the journey even more rewarding. It's about building real, genuine connections with people who get you and your content. So don't be afraid to put yourself out there, engage with your audience, and make some new friends. You never know where those connections might lead you.
All right, let's be real for a second. Just like with babies, starting a YouTube channel comes with its fair share of unpredictable hiccups. 1 minute you're on a roll, your channel's growing, you're feeling good. The next minute, bam! YouTube changes its algorithm, your video gets demonetized, or your equipment dies right before you're about to film. It's like those moments when your baby, who's usually a perfect angel, decides to have a meltdown in the middle of the grocery store, or when they spike a fever the night before a big trip. You just never know what life is going to throw your way, but it's not about avoiding the hiccups altogether. It's about learning how to roll with the punches, adapt to the unexpected, and come out stronger on the other side. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the chaos, stay flexible, and never be afraid to ask for help when you need it.
Let's talk about the emotional roller coaster of starting a YouTube channel and having a baby. Both journeys will take you on a wild ride. There will be days when you're riding high, feeling on top of the world. Your video goes viral, your baby smiles, and you feel unstoppable. But then there are days when you want to give up. You question everything, wondering if it's worth it. Self-doubt creeps in, and it's tough to shake off. You pour your heart into your channel, just like with your child. You're vulnerable, open to criticism and judgment, but that emotional investment makes it worthwhile. The highs are higher because you've weathered the lows. Embrace the emotional roller coaster, ride the waves, and enjoy the journey. The highs, the lows, and everything in between make it rewarding. Starting a YouTube channel, like having a baby, is a long-term commitment. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. You can't just upload a few videos and expect overnight success. It takes time, effort, and dedication. Building a successful channel takes years, just like raising a child. There will be times when you want to give up, but remember why you started and keep pushing forward. The rewards are immeasurable. Being a YouTuber is a lifelong commitment. Show up day after day, even when it's hard. Starting a YouTube channel can be the most rewarding adventure.
But wait, make sure to hit that subscribe button and sign up to our newsletter with the link down below for more tips and insights to help you with your online and offline life. If you are a parent looking for some brilliant hacks, check out this video right here. And if you're a YouTube creator looking for tips how to grow your new channel, check out this other video. We've got some game-changing tips waiting for you here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.